Hey guys, how are you? Kumusta kayong lahat to all my kababayans around the world? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Kung nasaan ka mang parte ng mundo, I hope you are well and healthy. It's a nice weekend again. I hope everyone could rest and have time with the family and maybe attended the mass via online or in person in the church. So ngayon guys, we will be tackling about the PSI status and my weekly stock market preparation where tayo mag-screen ng mga potential opportunities for next week. Yun, in the past 3 weeks, yung index natin sa Pilipinas was really in a downtrend. So, wala masyadong mga opportunities sa mga blue chips for a long position. So, most of the blue chips pabagsak talaga yung direction. So, titingnan naman natin ngayon guys kung is it the same? Pareho pa rin ba yung status? Or meron na tayong tinatawag na sign of reversal? So, okay. So, yan ang topic natin ngayon. This is Arnel Pacula. I'm a stock market trainer and a mentor. And yan ang i-discuss natin today. Alright, so let's start off with the PSEI. Right, I hope na nakikita niyo yung ano ko, screen. Kung ngayon ay nag-display na ngayon ng chart ng PSEI. Right, kung meron man kayong katanungan ay huwag mahiyang mag-comment lang sa ating live broadcast. At para sa mga hindi nakakaalam ay please like and subscribe lang sa aking YouTube channel para ngayon ay maka-receive kayo ng mga updates sa mga bago kong pinopost na videos. So hanapin niyo lang yung pangalan ko sa Facebook, sa YouTube, Arnel Pacula, and then just subscribe, click subscribe and like or panoorin niyo lang mga previous videos ko. So marami kayong matututunan dyan. Alright. So balik tayo. So nandito tayo ngayon sa charting tool na Instagram. At titingnan natin ngayon yung status ng ating PSEI. So ganun pa rin ba yung status? So yan ang malalaman natin. So kung nag-follow kayo sa mga previous ko na na live videos or mga recorded videos sa aking YouTube, ay nag-drawing tayo ng nag-plot tayo ng channel. It's a downtrend channel. At makikita nyo na every time tumatama sa channel or even to the EMA 21 yung price ay talagang nagkakaroon ng sell-off. So it's a sign na talagang pabagsak pa rin yung ating market. So mayroon selling pressure, downtrend yung sa trend sa ating daily chart. So downtrend, so meaning to say our stock market in Philippines, specifically the index is dominated by sellers. So pero sa last trading day, nakitaan na natin yun ng pin bar. So ano ba yung pinapahayag ng pin bar? So pin bar meaning to say that it's a bullish pin bar. So nag-attempt itong bumagsak pa exactly sa midpoint ng channel pero nagkaroon ng buying pressure. So a buying pressure is an indication that somehow the buyers are stepping in na pinipigilan nila yung price na patuloy pang bumagsak. Okay, but yung pin bar na yan ay isang equivalent to a one-day chart only. I mean, to one-day price movement. So, hindi pa ito nagsasaad na talagang magre-reverse na yung ating market. So, kailangan pa natin itong obserbahan. So, this is just a piece of information ngayon na mayroon nang nag-step in ng mga buyers. At makikita nyo naman din na merong price or volume spike dito together with this pin bar. So, it means that yung pin bar na yan is something significant. So, bullish pin bar here. So, yung gagawin natin patuloy pa nating obserbahan yung ating index. So, hindi agad yan buy signal. So, most of the time, yung ginagawa ko is, gusto ko talaga makita na yung daily closing ng ating index ay magko-close siya sa above the EMA 21 plus mayroong follow-through candle or confirmation candle. Kasi kung may maobserbahan nyo dito, bagamat nagkaroon ng close, so for example dito, above EMA 21, pero walang follow-through, dito rin, nag-close sa above EMA 21 pero nagkaroon ng engulfing bearish candle. Dito naman, nag-attempt siya mag-cross pero hindi nag-cross or hindi nag-close. So, still sign of bearishness. So, ngayon ito naman ay wala pang nag-close dito na any candle above EMA 21. So, one piece of information is just we have a pin bar. So, just a sign, it's a sign na nagsimula na mag-step in yung mga buyers. So, ang kung titingin tayo sa left side, makikita natin yung isang pivot point here. May tuturing natin itong level na to as a key support level. So ngayon, ang gagawin natin yan is mag-abang ng daily close above this level. Above, sabihin na natin 6,400 round off. Para ngayon mag-change yung bias natin. So since wala pa namang ganyang klase ng close, we remain bearish sa ating trend sa PSEI. So bearish pa rin tayo. So potential pa rin ang pagbagsak ng PSEI. So hanggang saan ba yung pwede nitong bagsakan? So kung titingnan natin yung trend line, makikita natin, yung channel, makikita natin na yung low ng channel is dito. So possible pa rin itong i-retest na yan. So yan ang pinaka projected na move. At yung move na yan dito ay in confluence or in confluence siya dito sa key support as well. So the next support. So this is a support. After this support, this is support. Pwede rin dito o dito. So hindi natin alam. So of course, kung magkakaroon man ng pag-bounce ng price sa level na yan, that's something good kasi it means that hindi niya tumama lang siya dyan at nag-bounce yung price. So that's a good, much better sign ng bounce. Pero kung yung price is still going up to here, that really means a very significant sell-off na kailangan mangyari. So, to sum up, bearish pa rin tayo sa ating PSEI sa Philippine stock market. And base sa latest na balita na nasagap ko kahapon kasi nanood ako ng ABS-CBN News, ay nag-implement na naman ulit ng heightened ECQ. So mas stricter na mga rules about community quarantine, which means that medyo mahirap pa rin ngayon yung situation natin in relation to the pandemic. So kapag mayroon nitong mga restrictions, naapektuhan ng mga businesses sa Pilipinas. Kapag naapektuhan ng mga businesses sa Pilipinas, ang ekonomiya ay naapektuhan din. So in that case, pabagsak pa rin yung ating market, which is reflected by this chart. So until such time magkaroon ng mga positive developments sa ating market, dyan tayo mag-expect na mag-reverse yung trend. So since wala pa, then we remain following the downtrend. So as a trader, ano ba yung ma-advise ko? So minimize muna tayo sa mga blue chips trading. So anong gagawin natin? Maghanap tayo ng mga opportunities doon sa mga small caps and big caps na stocks. So, ito yung mga stocks na hindi masyadong kilala pero may mga potential sila. So, mostly maganda yung fundamentals or talagang technically maganda yung technical chart niya. So, yan ang gagawin natin ngayon. Mag-filter tayo ng mga opportunities, right? So, itong mga opportunities na ito na pinifilter ko weekly ay binibigyan ko ito ng analysis na kung saan magandang mag-enter, saan pwedeng mag-buy, anong price, ano yung stop loss, at ano yung mga target prices. So, weekly ko yan ginagawa at sinisend ko yan via email sa mga subscriber ng Trade Ops Weekly Stock Updates covering Philippine market. Meron din akong US market, forex, and cryptocurrencies updates. Ngayon, kung interesado kayo mag-subscribe doon, ay mag-PM lang kayo at sisend ko sa inyo yung mga detalye. Alright, so wag na tayo magpaligoy-ligoy pa, doon na tayo sa screening. So, nakasubscribe ako sa Investa, tawag dito, yung Prime, Investa Prime, wherein mayroon itong tool na kung saan nakakapag-screen ako ng mga stocks. So, let me show that to you. Okay, napunta ako sa homepage nila. So, charting tool. Then, mag-ano ako ng filter tayo ng mga stocks. So, hindi naman ibig sabihin na lahat ng i-filter dito is buy signal agad. So, yung ginagawa lang ng screening tool dito is really to screen those which are high probability. Pero iniisa-isa ko pa yan kung maganda ba talaga or pwede ba talaga mag-enter or mag-aantay pa tayo. Alright, so ayan, let's run the screening tool. Ito, mga 5 screening tool meron ako pero sa situation natin ngayon, ito madalas yung silent setup yung ginagamit ko. So kung gusto niyo matutunan yung mga parameters dyan, matututunan niyo to sa aking mentorship program. So sinishare ko yung mga parameters, ano ba yung ginagamit kong parameters in order to find out yung mga stocks that are silently setting up. Silently kasi ibig sabihin hindi pa siya nagrarally pero nagsiset up na siya ng buy setup like a consolidation, a very tight consolidation or a continuation pattern. Yan ang ginagamit kong detector. So, hindi tayo nag-enter ng trade kung saan yung stocks price ay nakaangat na. So, yung mabisa na pag-enter sa trade is really that situation na kung saan nagsiset up pa lang. Kumbaga, nagtatanim pa lang sila. Yung mga malalaking traders, institution, naglalagay pa lang ng binhi. So, doon tayo papasok sa mga time na yun. Yan ang kaya tinawag ko siya silent setup. Pero meron din ako mga klase ng screener na kung saan dinidetect ko yung mga momentum movers. For example, ito. So, wherein tine-check ko yung mga relative volume at saka setup niya. Kung may mga engulfing bullish pattern ba siya or may bullish candlestick pattern. So, yun ang ginagamit ko. Pero sa situation natin yun, na bearish pa rin yung Philippine market, doon ako pumipili ng mga opportunities sa mga nagsa-silent setup pa lang. Alright, so make sense? Kasi magmo-momentum trading lang ako kapag bullish din yung index. Pero pag hindi yan bullish, there is no sense for me to go for momentum trading. So dito ako silent setup nag-hunt ng mga opportunities. And again, if you would like to learn the details and parameters na ginagamit ko dyan, ay pwede kayong mag-enroll sa aking mentorship program. So by the way, yung mentorship program ko, you can request for Philippine market only. You can request me for US market or forex or cryptocurrencies. So maraming saklaw yung kina-cover ko sa aking mentorship. Kasi lahat ng mga market na yun ay tinitrade ko. Alright, so let's run this screener and we'll see ano yung mga opportunities ngayon. So, you can even see that even if I run the screener, mayroon pa rin makikita dito na minus 14%. Kaya yan sinasabi ko na hindi ibig sabihin na pag na-screen mo yan, ay buy signal na agad. So, yung ibig sabihin lang nito na out of 200 stocks ay na-filter natin mga naging ano na lang, mga 20 na lang. So, hindi mo ngayon kailangan mag-isa-isa na mag-analyze ng 200 stocks. Kasi ito lang yung focusan natin ngayon for today. Alright, so let's check for SM. So, SM is a blue chip, right? So, gaya ng sinabi ko ay iwas muna tayo sa mga blue chips kasi pag yung index ay downtrend, malamang yung mga blue chips na yan ay also downtrend. But although here, you see that it's downtrend, but we have here an engulfing bullish. So we just need to see formation of higher high and higher low to determine na ready na itong mag-reverse. But for now, I still keep an eye on those kasi again, the index is still bearish. AEV, let's see. Okay, ito mukhang maganda kasi bakit? Kasi ito downtrend, then suddenly meron na tayo ditong double bottom. So, ayan. At ito, meron tayong bullish candle, parang almost like a pin bar, bullish pin bar. So, bottom. So, malamang pwede ito mag-reverse. So, that is a good one. So, I will mark that AEB. So, one of my watch list for next week. So, I mark that as a double bottom. So, mamaya analyze ko yan, how to enter the market. So, ngayon gagawin lang natin guys, I just really to hunt for opportunities. But I won't go into details ano yung mga entry price at cut loss at target price. Kasi yung mga yun, if you would like to get more details about those entry and target price, you might want to subscribe to Trade Ops Weekly stock updates and just let me know kapag gusto niyo mag-subscribe dyan. Alright, so AEB, kuha na natin. So next, ito naman as SCC, it's a mining industry. So we have here, we can project a trend line. So hindi pa siya nag-break sa trend line, then meron tayo ditong another trend line connecting this one and this. So medyo ano pa, halanganin pa to. Pwede pa tong mag-retest either here or dumiretso pa dito or mag-fluctuate lang inside this pattern. So medyo matagal pa yan. So at wala nga masyadong volume. So ito naman TEL. See the TEL downtrend. We have here a resistance trend line. And then, ano pa? So, mayroon din tayo dito another trend line, support trend line. At mapapansin nyo guys, ay medyo nagkaroon dito ng bounce. And then, higher low. And then, yung higher low yan na yan, medyo angat na dito yung low niya. So, much higher low siya compared here. So, that's a really bullish sign. Plus, meron tayong engulfing candle here and elevated volume, so which is showing to us that it's significant price action. So potentially it will bounce and here, so that's a good one. So to confirm that, this price needs to break this resistance somewhere at 1300. So but for now, since we have here a volume, earning was also announced. Earning total revenue, net income, medyo down sila ng 1.69%, but still a positive money. 5.9 billion pa rin yung kinita nila in net with a revenue of 47.9 billion. So, kumikita talaga si TEL. Although, comparing to the same quarter of last year, medyo down sila ng 1.69. But it doesn't really mean that they are down in money because they are positive. 5.9 billion. That's really a good one. So, but again, be cautious kasi TEL is still a blue chip. Although technically, it's already setting up for a buy signal. So I will still put 10 to my watch list. Although hindi ako very bullish dahil ngayong index ay hindi naman bullish. So, but I will still put to my watch list. Okay, it's also double bottom pattern for me. Alright, so next, URC. So, tingnan natin dito. Okay, tingnan nyo yung URC. Oh. Ang ganda ng ano na yan, pin bar. Tsaka yung lows niya dito ay umaangat. So, that's a significant price action. So, meaning to say, yung mga buyers dito nag-step up. Step up plus pin bar. So, hindi siya makatagos below this. So, that's a very, very good sign. So, target can be this one. So I will put URC. Again, URC is I think also blue chip. So I'm not very bullish, but according to the price action, it's really doing well. However, by the way, yung volume niya medyo dry pa. So hindi siya masyado ka-significant na price action. Kasi gusto ko yung volume dito talagang nag-spike like this. So ayan, so URC. Next, okay, wow, so R8 looks nice. Titingnan nyo to, yung, okay, dito, medyo nag-breach siya dyan, pero nag-close above this support. Then high, we have here the resistance. And then swing low, we have here the low. This low is higher than this swing low. So ayos. So ngayon nagko-consolidate yung price dito sa malapit sa resistance. So this is a potential breakout play. So ang tanong ngayon, meron bang volume? Mayroon, no? Lakas ng volume na yan, taas. Tapos yung earning, tingnan nyo naman, first quarter, 60% up in terms of earning. So that's very, very nice. Although sa annual, medyo ano sila, down. But still a positive money in terms of net income. Okay, so this one is a potential breakout play. So abang-abang. So kapag nag-breakout yan, 34.99, you may buy that. But I would really use a tight stop loss in case there will be a fake breakout or fake out. Kasi medyo yung volume natin dito still dry. So gusto ko mag-consolidate muna dyan. 2-3 days. Next week, we will see. So, place a very tight stop loss kasi potential din itong, dahil nga bearish yung index natin, pwede itong break out and then back to opposite side. So, but fundamentally, we have here earning as up with 60% in the first quarter. That's very, very good. Alright, so yan. So, I will put R8 among my breakout play. But based on experience, guys, pag yung index ay hindi bullish, mga breakout plays, most of the time, hindi yan nag-materialize. So, we need to be aware about this. So, pero mga ganitong klase, downtrend muna, then double bottom, yan ang mga gusto ko makita during the time when the index is still downtrend and also trying to reverse. Si SMC, maganda yung pinapakita ni SMC kasi makikita nyo dito, this is the swing low. Tapos dito may pin bar at yung low niya hindi nga umabot sa low dyan. So that's a good sign. So kasi kung may malalakas talaga yung sellers dito, dapat na-breach na itong low. Pero hindi. Hanggang dito lang sila. So ibig sabihin, nandyan na yung mga buyers, nag-step in niya. And we have a significant volume spike. Then we can say that we have here a chance to reverse the trend. So target can be this swing high. Okay, so that's it. And stop loss maybe below this swing low. So ayan, so that's SMC. SMC, lagay ko siya sa double bottom setup. Alright. Okay, so batiin muna natin yung mga nanonood na mga kabayan natin yun. We have here Christian. Good evening, Christian. Hope you're doing well. Okay, video video also looking good. Kasi we have here a trend line, and this is the prior swing low. Pero yung swing low natin dyan, sorry, ito yung talagang prior swing low, at yung swing low dito ay yung recent swing low, hindi nga nag-breach below that. So that's a good one. I will be buying this whenever it breaks above, let's say 106.5. Having first target here, and using Fibonacci extension, we can project also the next target, which is here. Okay, but you see that BDO is also a blue chip stock. So just take note that we are still in a bearish index. So medyo baka hindi ito mag-materialize din, or kung mag-materialize man, napakabagal. Alright, so but anyhow, I still put video to my watch list. MA, well, hindi siya masyado liquid, oh. Kasi yung mga candles pa lang, mga itsura, medyo alanganin yan. So, hindi siya ganun ka-liquid. So, hindi natin i-suggest yan for today. Ito naman, GMA 7, ka nagbabounce siya. So, tignan muna natin higher time frame. Okay, so you see that this is the prior swing high. Nag-gap up tayo, gap up, and then pull back, retest, and then bullish engulfing, and then another bullish candle. So mukhang maganda tong si GMA, because we need to tighten our stop na kapag bumaba yan below 8.05, dapat out na tayo. But here in this situation, it looks buy signal. We project a trend line, so ganito na lang. Kapag mag-break yung price above 8.75, I would go for a buy, and this is your stop loss, 8.04. Okay, so yung mga target prices, if you would like to know that, subscribe to my weekly stock updates. Let me know about it. If you are interested, just send me a PM. Alright, so GMA 7, GMA 7 breakout play. Okay. Ito, ICT. Actually, yung ICT, I was recommending this last week. I'm totally satisfied about the result kasi nag-up siya ng 10%. So it was also a breakout play opportunity na sinuggest ko sa weekly stock update last week, and as you can see, went up 10%. But now, I am not recommending kasi nagpo-pull back and wala pa tayong magandang setup. So let it pull back up to EMA 21, for example, and we will see what kind of pattern will it form. If mag-form siya ng bullish pattern, then bibili ulit tayo. Okay, ito naman, wala pa rin setup dito. So, it's just a bearish candle, medyo nagkaroon ng konting bounce, but doesn't really mean that we should buy that now. CNTF, one of my stock updates also last week, it went up really nice way. So, up also almost 10%. But now there's no buy signal. Ito naman, wala din. So green was also one of my updates. But for now, it's still resting. Pero nakaabot siya ng mga 10%. So most of my updates last week, umabot ng mga 10%. Ito wala rin, walang buy signal. Ito alanganin din kasi umangat pero nag-sell off. So wala rin. So far, yung nailista ko lang dito is konti pa lang. I have here 7. So, ganyan talaga pag bearish yung ating index. So, wala masyadong opportunity. So, ayan lang guys. So, wala masyadong opportunity. Only 7 stocks that I have listed for next week. And it doesn't really mean that you really need to trade all the time kahit walang naman setup, di ba? So, yan ang recipe for disaster as a trader. So, trading really needs patience. So, you need to wait. So, most of the time, mga successful traders talaga nananalo sa market dahil marunong silang magantay. So, very, very patient. Alright, so that's it for today, guys. And again, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click like and subscribe for future videos so mano-notify kayo sa mga uploads ko. And for those who are interested to learn from me, mentorship program, then contact me also. And if you would like to subscribe to my Trade Ops weekly stock updates for Philippine market, for US market, Forex, and cryptocurrencies, let me know. So, i-message nyo lang po guys. And that's all guys, and God bless sa inyo lahat. Till next time.